friends, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a party banner. So without wasting time, let's begin. Hello again, I hope you liked this video. This was for the bridal shower. If you all want it for birthday, anniversary or any other occasion for that matter, you all can get these letter cutouts in a website. The website link is in the description below. You all can get a lot of patterns there. I like this gold pattern, so I selected this one. You all can select any one which you want. So do check that website as well. I'm sure you all will love it. And I really hope you like this video. If you liked it, do give a thumbs up, and also if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.